The backup, restore, and import functions. LearnMate provides 3 core tools for managing course content. Backup saves a full course snapshot. Restore uses that file to create or overwrite a course. Alternatively, import copies specific activities from another course into your current one. To back up a course in LearnMate, open the course, click More in the navigation menu, and select Course Reuse. Choose Backup. Select the items you want to save, and click Perform Backup to generate your file. You can then download the file to your computer. To restore a course, navigate to Site Administration, Courses, Restore Course. Upload your backup file or pick an existing one. Choose whether to create a new course or merge into an existing one. Verify your settings and click Perform Restore. To import specific content without user data, open your destination course. Navigate to More, Course Reuse, and select Import. Choose the source course you want to copy from. Check the exact activities you need and click Perform Import.